In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on iOS 18 dark icons on iPhone 12. So this works on all iPhone 12 series. So if you have an iPhone 12, don't mind my back glass. So I got it broken this morning. So if you have an iPhone 12 and you want to enable the dark mode on app icons, so this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this layout informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable iOS 18 dark icons on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. All you just need to do is press and hold your iPhone home screen just like this. On the home screen, click on the edit button at the top left. Now once you selected that, you should see two options including add widget and customize. Then go ahead and click on customize. Once you click on customize, you should see these four options pops. On the four options, locate dark and turn that on. Then click outside. Then you see this is going to change your iPhone 12 apps icons to dark mode. So this is basically for all iOS 18 users. If you're using iOS 17.5 or iOS 17.6, you'll not be able to change the app icons on your iPhone 12 home screen to dark. Then to disable, all you just need to do is press and hold the home screen like this. Press the edit button at the top left. Then click on customize from the menu. Here you just need to choose light and then click outside. That's going to turn off dark icons on your iPhone 12 Pro Max app icons. So that's how you can easily turn on or disable iOS 18 dark icon on iPhone 12. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.